Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly add a watermark in your PDF file. So if you want to add a watermark free of cost in your PDF file, then the best way to do is to utilize any free online PDF editing software or tool. So in this particular case, we will be using the I Love PDF free online PDF editing tool in order to perform this particular operation. So let me show you how you can do that. So the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. In this demonstration, I will be using the Google Chrome, and then go to the search bar and search for I Love PDF. Then hit the enter button and you will see this website that goes by the name ilovepdf.com. So simply click onto this first link and you will see an interface like this. Now from here you need to hover your cursor over to this all PDF tools and find the watermark, and you can see that under edit PDF you can see this option, the third one, which says add watermark. So simply click onto this add watermark button and it will open this page from where you need to select that particular PDF file on which you want to add the watermark. So simply click onto this select PDF file button and it will open the file explorer. Then from the file explorer, simply choose that PDF that you want to edit. So for example, let's say I want to edit the book 1 PDF and embed a watermark in this. So click onto this open button and here you can see that the file has been successfully loaded, and from here you can see a general preview. So from here you have two options to add watermark. The first one is a text and the second one is a image watermark. So if you want to add a text watermark, simply type in the text that you want to add as watermark. So for example, let's say do not copy, and then from here you can adjust the text formatting like its font, its size. If you want to make it bold or underline, you can do that as well, and from here you can also choose its position. So let's say I'm choosing the middle position, and then you also have more settings like to adjust the transparency, rotation. You can also determine only those particular pages on which this watermark should appear, and then you have two options as well. The first one specifies that the watermark should be present over the PDF content, and the second one specifies below the PDF content. So it is best advised to choose the below PDF content so that it does not overlaps with the PDF content. And then you can click onto this add watermark button, and here you can see that the PDF has been stamped. So simply click onto this download PDF with watermark button and you can see that a download has been successfully done. So let's open this PDF, and here you can see that we have this watermark in between that says do not copy in every page. So that's how easily you can add watermark in your PDF. So that's was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.